Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to change the date and time on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's get started. Now the very first thing which you are going to do is to open up your settings, and once you are in your settings, you can either search for date and time using the search icon or scroll down to general management. From here, you are going to see the option for date and time. Now by default, the date and time are set automatically based on wherever you are connected to with your location. But in a scenario, if it's not set correctly and you wanted to manually set it, you can turn this off and then choose a date and then also set the time here. Keep in mind, you wanted to make sure you set it to the zone that you are in. If you put a different time services, it might not work correctly. So you always make sure those dates and times are correct. You can also set automatic time zone as well if you like. If you are not in the right time zone, you can set that as well. So I'm going to leave this as automatic here. And there is also a way to change it to 24-hour format. So if you wanted a military style, you can also do that as well. So guys, that is basically how you can update your date and time in the Galaxy S26 series. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for this year. Peace.